What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy CEEFAM. We back at it, man, with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all. Some of y'all gonna like this video, some of y'all not gonna like this video, you hear me? But it is what it is, y'all. We're gonna be taking off the wrap on my 2021 Dodge Charger Redeye, you hear me? I don't know, I'm starting to feel like, I'm not saying people biting the style, people, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like with this car wrap, man, and all that, people got this already, right? Everybody got a wrap hood, everybody got the roof, everybody got the trunk, right? The whole black thing on their cars, despite whatever car color they have, man, that's what they got. All right, so we finna remove it, man. We finna do it the most unconventional way possible, y'all, right? Usually, man, I have the nice handy dandy heat gun and all that good stuff, but currently, bro, I got the car outside baking in the sun, right? So hopefully the adhesive doesn't stick to the car, man, and all that. I hit up my wrap guy that actually did the car in Hawaii. He's like, yeah, man, I just let the car bake in the sun, then I just usually peel off the wrap. So he ain't saying nothing about the adhesive sticking. So with that being said, y'all, we gonna try that, like I said, I'm never afraid to get my hands dirty. Y'all seen the previous videos of my other cars. Look, I do majority of the work on my cars myself. Anything I don't do, y'all, it's because I can't do. And that's slim to none, you heard me? That's me though, man. Your boy get the hands dirty. The hands clean right now, but y'all get it, man. So look, I'm looking forward to seeing y'all how the car's gonna look all, white, feel like Jeezy, man, with the snowman, bro. So I'm curious to see how the car look whenever I first got it. Vinyl wrap is pretty good for y'all car, man. If y'all want to protect y'all paint over time, right, get y'all car vinyl wrap. Even if it's the clear bra in the front, the little cleared whatever, get that too, right? So I'm not against vinyl wrap, nothing like that. I actually got another wrap kind of in store for the car. It's gonna be simple, it's gonna be fire though. It's gonna be really fire. At least I think car gonna bust, it gonna pop, right? So look, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to the whip. All right, CEEFAM, man, let me give y'all a little slight cold start, man. It's actually snowing, but it's sunny outside. It's weird, bro. Ooh, y'all know me, man. Third floor type, man. Top level, man. Let's get to it. Give y'all a light cold start. Ain't started all day. Come on, man. Y'all see the views out here, man. It's windy, boy. The wind going crazy. But yeah, we probably finna go stop by the bank first, and then yeah, park the car somewhere, set the camera up, and take that wrap off, man. Like, it's the last time y'all gonna see the car like this, man. I don't like that. Look, them boys, I don't even know them boys. They probably, I gotta watch them people around here, man, for real. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little look at what I look at every day, man. I wish I had a little garage and all that, but hey, it's gonna take care of itself one day, CEEFAM. Ooh, good day, man. Yo, boy, it's hard down snowing in Colorado, boy. God, it's crazy out here too, boy. Yeah, just hit the bank, man. Navy Federal, the best bank, man. Yo, big money boys got that Wells Fargo and stuff now. Yeah, man, it's snowing out this bit. Hold on, how many miles we got on the Redeye now, yo? We got 13,000 miles on the Redeye. Little light type R, man, little snack. But yeah, man, I don't even know where we finna go right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna do this bit today, boy. I gotta find somewhere to park. Oh yeah, y'all see the snow and stuff, man. It's crazy out here right now. Ooh. Oh yeah, see what I'm jamming, man. That Drizzy and that Gunna, man, going crazy. What it do, CEEFAM? So it's currently the next day, man. It snowed yesterday, snowed like crazy. So yeah, this next day, didn't do it yesterday. Gonna have to do it today. Just want to give y'all a little slight walk around, man, of what the car look like. It's the last time y'all gonna see it with this black stuff on it and woo. So I think it might be a challenge for me, man, because my wrap guy in Hawaii, he did go underneath the spoiler. So I don't know how we gonna do that. Tried to let the car bake in the sun, man. As y'all see, it is sunny outside, so car just been sitting out. Just picked the Jeep up, man, from another renter at the airport. So yeah, Turo, man, still going fluent and stuff, y'all. But yeah, let me give y'all a little slight cold start, and then look, we're gonna take the car to the spot. And as y'all see, man, we still got snow on the whip from yesterday, dog. Ooh. So yeah, give y'all a little slight cold start, man. Get right. Well, Buddy on the phone, so I'm gonna let Buddy pass. He on the phone. I don't want to interrupt. I'm rude, but I'm not that rude, man. I got a heart, somewhat. What's up, bro? Chilling. Yeah, this bit go crazy. I really don't like how people park next to him. I used to park over there, but see them 2 red trucks, them boys took my spot. They must be new to the neighborhood. They must not know what the hell going on. But yeah, look, let's get to it, man. This bit finna be crazy on God. Shee. Yeah, CEEFAM. Yeah, you boy missed the all white, man. Miss feeling like Jesus and the snowman, baby. I miss it, man. Yeah, I need the all white look, CEEFAM. Need it. But yeah, look, let's head over to the spot, man. I'm gonna set y'all up on the camera and on the tripod. And yeah, we're gonna start taking this thing apart. All right, CEEFAM. So far, man, this is what we got, y'all. So I kind of did the back. There's like little pieces that's stuck in there, man. I'm gonna have to get like a little pry tool and then get I don't know what it is, some tweezers, and then get that stuff out, man. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, the stuff. So I guess my wrap guy, man, he really did a great job because he tucked underneath the tail lights, which that's what you're supposed to do, right? So it's quality work, man, you know. And then I have to take off, let me show y'all, man. So I'm gonna have to take off my spoiler just to get behind here. So there's a bolt. Oh, there's a bolt right there, and there's another one on the other side, man. I'm hoping, well, I don't know, it's gonna sound bad, y'all, but I'm hoping that he didn't put no adhesive tape back down here. I should have asked him, like, hey man, you put adhesive tape, or if he just put, you know, those 2 bolts back on and then that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna need to get underneath the damn trunk and all that, well, underneath the spoiler rather, right? So yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all a little slight update, man. So like I said, I'm good with the white and black look, man. You know, it was pretty nice while it lasted, y'all, but yeah, man, on to something bigger, something better, man. We still got wrap on the floor, wrap in the trunk. And yeah, man, I'm like halfway through the trunk, man. So yeah, like I said, I missed the white look, y'all. So I missed the car being bare, you know, put something else on it. So yeah, let's keep on getting to it, man. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So just to give y'all a little insight, man, on how you boys see Will doing it. So right, if y'all don't have a garage, y'all don't have a heat gun or anything like that with y'all, right? This is obviously the most unconventional way of doing it. I don't recommend doing it like this, but if y'all have to do it like this, then do it like this. So what I recommend y'all do, man, is peel up the edges first. All right, if y'all peel up the edges, man, right, y'all can try to get like a smooth peeling all the way back, right? But if y'all don't peel up the edges, right, it's gonna come off, see, like this, like how it is in the middle, right, all choppy and XYZ. But yeah, if y'all peel up the edges first, right, all along here, like I said, I still do have to take this spoiler off, hoping I can just take this bad boy right here off, and then the whole thing will just come off. Or I don't know, if he didn't take any shortcuts or anything, he put some more adhesive tape on there, and I'm gonna have to pry it off and then put that adhesive tape back on, which I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just bolt that bit right back up. But yeah, y'all, like I said, man, that's what I'm doing, man. It's coming out okay. This definitely gonna be probably like a 3-part video, man, because I still gotta tune and refine, man. Like, see, like this, he really wrapped this thing, y'all. Like, he wrapped this bit good, so at least I know, like, you know, he did some good work. Instead of it being half-ass and, you know, choppy and all that. But yeah, y'all, that bit was tucked, y'all, all underneath here, man. You know, shit, nails all dirty and stuff now, because boy, my nails, I've been scraping, boy. Still gotta get underneath here, right? So yeah, this definitely gonna be, y'all, like a 3-part video. I've been working on this thing for like an hour and a half now, man. You know, every shop I tried to go to and ask them, like, yeah, you know, it'll be like 350, 300. I say 300, man. The hell y'all think y'all talk? And like, that's the pro and the con about having this car. Like, a con about this, y'all, is like, okay, you take your car to the shop, right? And like, people see your car, so they probably thinking in their head, man, let me try to finesse this dude. Let me try to, you know what I'm saying? He looked like he got some kind of money, so let me charge him, blah, blah, blah. Man, F all that, bit. So what I'm thinking, man, making this into a 3-part video, y'all. I'm gonna do the trunk first, which obviously is what y'all seeing. Then, boy, this gonna be a masterpiece right here, boy. I may tackle this. It's gonna take me a long time. I'm gonna leave the fin black. I'm gonna leave that bit black. And then I don't know if I wanna tackle this with somebody or shit, do it on my own, man. Or shit, take this piece right here to the shop, let them do this for like 100, right? And then call it a day. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. I might have to run back to the crib and get my, whatever it is, my tools, so I can undo this, take this off, and then peel off the rest of that. But yeah, just wanted to keep y'all updated, CEEFAM. Thank y'all for stopping in, man. Yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. By the time I see y'all again, should be almost done, man, or at least all this right here is gonna be white. So we'll see, man. Let's get to it. So as y'all can see, CEEFAM, made it back to the apartment complex. It's finna get dark. It's 4:54 right now, man. So yeah, I'm gonna just finish, well, shit, try to finish taking this shit off, man, because yeah, this look crazy. Shout out to my rep guy though, man. He definitely did a good job, boy, making me work. But yeah, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish the video today or not, but yeah, man, we finna get to it. All right, CEEFAM, so I'm pretty sure, man, that's gonna be a cut to today's video, y'all. So I ended up taking off the spoiler, man, as y'all see. Had to, man. Shout out to my rap guy in Hawaii, man. He definitely did his thing, bro, making me work. But we making progress, man, for sure, y'all. Appreciate y'all for stopping in, y'all. It's definitely cold out here. Let me see, it's 39 degrees and I'm still out here, man, trying to grind, trying to hustle, man, you know. Ooh, yeah, y'all. So these pieces right here, man, was the ones that wasn't cooperating. Like I said, I ended up doing majority of it, CEEFAM. You know, so shit, like I said, if I can do it, man, y'all can do it too, bro. Right? So yeah, I mean, it might look choppy right now, y'all, but for me, it's all about the progress, man. It's all about believing in yourself, knowing you can do it. Like I said, every single shop that I was trying to go to, they was talking about, yeah, 300, 350, da-da-da. So I don't know, at least if I do as much as I can, y'all, I might just let a shop tackle the hood, because I don't want the hood to get crazy or messed up. Then yeah, and it really doesn't help, y'all, that it's not the warmest state right now. Colorado, man, it's really not, right? So, but yeah, y'all, it's the car, man. It's the baby right there, man. Yeah, I know some of y'all, man, y'all really like the black and white look, man, but I just feel like it's too plain Jane, at least for me, man, for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna end up putting a spoiler in the trunk, man. And yeah, it really wasn't hard to take the spoiler off either, y'all. I know some of y'all might have questions about that. It's really like some little pop pins. You just gotta pop those out, pop. Then there's two, I would say 10 or 11 millimeter screws or bolts or whatever. You gotta unscrew them from the inside, right? Pop those out. This right here is just a little thing that pops out. Like I said, my rep guy ended up putting some more double-sided tape. I don't think I'm gonna go to double-sided tape method, man, because there's already a screw that's on the side. There's another screw is right there, whatever, right? So yeah, I'm not gonna do the double-sided tape no more, man. And then after that, you just pop that thing out and voila, there she is. So yeah, I'm gonna put that thing back in the trunk. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for stopping in, man. Make sure y'all comment down below y'all thoughts. Should I have kept the wrap on? Should I take it off and all that, man? Like I said, had this on for, shoot, close to a year. I'd probably say 8-9 months now, man. And I mean, it's held up well. So my rep guy did a great job, you heard me? But yeah. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm gonna finish this up tomorrow. Might hop on the damn roof. I don't know, man. That would be crazy. But yeah.